Hey Auntie Beth, it's Carrie. Thought I would send you a video so you could see what you're missing by living in Florida. So this is my front door. Can't really even open it. Let me see. So let's see how many inches that is. That's about a foot at least right there.
Whoa, it's blocking us.
Yeah, it's at least a foot. So this is my railing, and there's the car over there. Thankfully there's only one in the driveway. Plow just went by, and you probably can't tell, but the snowbank was so high that you could only see like the top half of the plow. So that's my door here, but there's a pretty big drop off where those trees are, and right now if you fell down there, it wouldn't hurt. And over there you can see the neighbor's car. There's a heap right there buried. So it's it's still coming. Let me see if I can give you a picture of out back. So this is a picture from our our dining room windows, and you can see the snow blowing up on the windows. I know we've seen worse than this, but let me see if I can open here. Oops. You usually see a lot of deer and other kind of fauna out back, but not lately. Here, hold this for me, please, and point it out the window. Don't touch the screen. Say hi to Auntie Beth. No? Just say hello. Can't even open this. Whoa. Okay, thank you. So that's the windowsill after I open the window. It is so flipping cold. I don't think it's focusing right now. There it is, it's focusing. All I can say is that the guys that are plowing are going to be very tired, but they're going to have a very nice paycheck. I don't know. You can't really conceive how much snow is out there. I'd say it's well over a foot right now, and we're in the 24 to 30 foot band of snow. So enjoy Florida. Love you. Bye.